Lovers! Ciao picciotte e picciotti!
Intanto buongiorno. First of all, good morning to all the beautiful Sicily lovers all around the world.
Un tappuiare che sta facendo gemare tutto da.
We are sitting in a table, and Rosella says, "Don't move the table because the gimbal doesn't work, the stabilizer doesn't work." So perhaps the majority of you are sleeping now.
Yeah.
So perhaps now we are broadcasting to the Aussie people.
And also Australian people, yeah.
Aussie. Our Australian Rosella. Rosella, she's sleeping.
I'm sleeping. I'm still sleeping.
So good morning to the Aussie people, friends from New Zealand, friends from the Far East, perhaps. The other guys. Perhaps we have some people who
From
are
Europe also.
who are still celebrating a night party in the United States, in Canada. You never know.
Yeah.
In the meantime, we have just to reveal where we are. Our friends, the San Filippos and the McCluskeys, the people from California who we plan a private tour of Sicily too, they are enjoying this beautiful jewel behind us. This is a jewel.
Yeah.
Out of the joke, no kidding, no doubt. This is a must-see place, a must-see in the world, not
Yeah.
in Sicily.
A masterpiece.
So, step by step,
Yeah.
from the beginning, we are in Ortigia, the historic center of Syracuse, in the east side of Sicily, and this is the beautiful Cathedral of Ortigia. Why it's a must-see location?
They will discover and they will decide and understand why. So, first of all, it's rich in culture and heritage because it was a Greek colony.
I would like to display the cathedral, Rosella, because
Okay.
we have people behind us, and it's not good that we don't show the cathedral. Would you like to film me?
Yes?
Because I wanna say something about. Perhaps it's better you come closer this way.
Okay, this is perfect.
Guys, this is not only a cathedral, a Christian church. It was an important temple from the ancient times during the ancient Greeks colonized Sicily. So we are talking about the 5th century before Christ, 2,700 years ago. The ancient Greeks founded a beautiful temple dedicated to Athena, the goddess of the war and the justice. Then, many centuries later, Byzantines and then Normans built a church, and so the church still includes the temple. I'm not sure you can, but perhaps we have to go there closer to display the ancient columns of the temple of Athena. So if you go inside, I'm not allowed to enter with the camera now, but you will see the ancient columns of the temple inside the church also, and I think this is a unique evidence of syncretism, so a mix between the pagan culture, the ancient Greek culture, and the Christian culture. And only in Sicily you can see something like that. Not in Greece and not everywhere in the world. Only in Sicily. And Would you like to see the columns?
Yeah.
Come on, guys.
I take the back.
So guys, can you see 1, 2, 3 columns from the ancient temple in a beautiful Doric style? Rosella is very tiny, very small compared to the columns. And at the beginning, this temple had 14 different columns in the lateral side, in the side of the temple, and six columns in the entrance. But this is just one of the key elements of the main square in Ortigia. And now you will realize why this is one of my favorite places in the world, not only in Sicily. Look at that. A huge square, elegant, charming, full of heritage.
Full also of great restaurants where enjoying terrific Sicilian food.
Rosella, do you remember what is that?
It's named Palazzo Vermexio.
And what is it now?
At the municipio, no, the city hall.
The city hall. And what was in the origin?
Was a palace.
No, you don't remember. You missed the local guide. What
of
she
course,
said.
I missed.
Guys, this is so beautiful. We are walking through the heritage, through the stories. Behind us, Rosella said she was right, but actually, in the same position where the palace stands, we had another important temple, another important Greek temple dedicated to Artemis,
Yeah.
the goddess of hunt. Just like Diana for the Romans, Diana was the goddess of hunt. In ancient Greece, they used to pray Artemis. And now you can see the city hall. Of course, the temple it doesn't exist anymore. And this is the beautiful Piazza Duomo in Ortigia. As Rosella said, it's full of very, very good restaurants. Now it's early in the morning.
Yeah, of course.
This is a great bar where you can enjoy your coffee, your breakfast.
Also granita.
In particular, granita. They are so good. I have to say that you don't have necessary to go to Noto. Yesterday we were in Noto, Rosella.
Yeah.
But also in Syracuse they are so good to make granita.
Also, yes, all the south east and the northeast are good places where to enjoy granita. And another reason to visit and spend days here in Ortigia is the shopping time, no? Because here you can find a lot of shops, and so you need to spend at least 3 days here to enjoy and to breathe this charming atmosphere. So you can stroll through the narrow streets. You can also visit the Jewish
The Jew district. La Giudecca.
Yes, La Giudecca, with the old bath, i bagni ebraici, no?
The Jews bath, yeah.
Yeah, and Where else? Also,
Perhaps we
the-
forget the main feature.
it's an island.
This
We
is an
forgot.
island.
Yes, we forgot to
right.
say this. So this is the historic center of Syracuse, but it's an island. So it's an island into the island because, of course, Sicily is an island, and it's connected to the mainland with thanks to a bridge,
A beautiful
bridge.
Actually, they have two bridges, but
Yeah.
one is modern. The best is the Ponte Umbertino.
Yeah.
And Rosella, let me say that our friends are very expert.
Yeah.
Mario Bucaro, ciao Mario, wrote Don Camillo, very good restaurant. So they know
Yeah,
the restaurant.
it's a good restaurant.
So our friends came out from the cathedral, and they are following
guide.
Elisa, our guide in Ortigia. Good morning, guys. Good
How are you
morning.
guys?
Ci vediamo dopo.
Enjoy
See you
your
later.
visit.
See you later. So the San Filippos and the McCluskeys are enjoying a guided walking tour in Ortigia with our one of our favorite local guides in
Yeah.
Sicily, Elisa. She's so good, very good, a great knowledge of Sicily.
Yes, and also a great English.
and also she also is very fun,
Yeah.
funny. She's
Not boring.
Not boring like some local guys.
Because we don't used to work with boring guys because your vacation will be a funny also experience, no? Not boring experience. Too much culture. You don't have to attend an examination at the end of the tour, so they will explain you our history and the features of the main things to see in Sicily, but not boring you with too much information because of course we know that the most important thing to enjoy in Sicily is food combined with great wine. And this area is also very famous for the wine. Gianca, you are an expert,
No,
more or less.
no.
So you can say something about the wine in this area. No?
First of all, let me say something about the accommodation in Ortigia, because Mario Bucaro display his knowledge. He says Ortea Palace is one of the best 5-star hotel in Ortigia. Guys, if you come to Sicily, don't forget that Syracuse, in particular Ortigia, is a must-see location, but also it has to be. Oh, this is a Vespa. It has to be your own base during your trip in Sicily. So don't miss it. Don't visit Ortigia just for a few hours.
Yeah.
Stay in Ortigia at least 2 or 3 days, 3 nights.
Yeah, it's the perfect base to explore the southeast of Sicily, no?
And there are great hotels and accommodations.
Yeah.
I don't want to say something wrong about the Ortea, but we have our list of favorite accommodations in Ortigia.
But we don't want to.
We don't want to reveal our secrets, but we know Ortigia.
There are many choices.
And we love Ortigia, so if we can help you, we are very glad to recommend you our favorite choices, our favorite accommodations.
So when you plan,
But
sorry.
I would like just to finish, just to end my speech. If you come to Sicily, if you come to this area, don't miss the opportunity to stay here in Ortigia, not in Syracuse. Be careful, because Ortigia is the historic center of Syracuse. Don't miss the opportunity to stay here and enjoy wonderful walks
Yeah.
because everything is almost pedestrian. The island is almost all pedestrian.
And it's also flat. This is important.
This is flat, so you don't have any up and down.
You can really relax here.
You can relax. There are a lot of excellent restaurants. Don Camillo is one of these, of course. You have beautiful, beautiful accommodations and many, many things to see. Ortigia offers a lot of beautiful locations. We are walking through the history. As the local guide said, if you dig out, you find some treasure everywhere. If you remove some part of the floor where we are walking to, we find the treasure. So I would like to end our broadcast by the sea.
Yeah, with
So
the sea view, beautiful promenade.
I would like to display our friends what Ortigia is.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, I would like to say something more. We didn't say, for example, that if you are art enthusiast, ancient paintings enthusiast, Ortigia offers two works by Caravaggio.
Yeah.
You know, Caravaggio is one of the most important painters in the history. If you come here, you can see two of his works. And this is we are close to the museum where Caravaggio, where a work by Caravaggio is exposed. That's the museum. Then we have, is it Santa Lucia, right?
Yes, because the patron saint of Syracuse is Santa Lucia, San Luis.
This little church is named Santa Lucia as the patron saint of Syracuse. That's they celebrate Santa Lucia in December 13, on December 13, no?
Yes.
Not like the Santa Lucia in Carlentini.
Yeah.
That's different. But the saint is the same.
Yeah.
Oh, let me display again the square from the reverse point of view. So, as you can see, it's so huge, so quiet, so elegant. Only the tuk-tuk, Lapino in Sicilian, are allowed to enter the square.
Yeah, of course.
And of course the delivery guys. And
but also
ciao!
ciao.
Ciao! This is another good restaurant. Now it's closed, of course, because it's
too early.
It's 11 a.m.
And
yeah, Mario, you're right. It's a very romantic place.
yeah, I think that we can say that is maybe the most romantic place that we have in Sicily. No?
Ice cream. A big ice cream.
But in Sicily we have gelato.
We have gelato, but we have also granita. Don't get wrong, they are different. Granita doesn't include any milk.
Yeah.
And you can feel the fresh fruit, in particular the dry food, the dry fruit, such as pistachio, almonds.
For example, yesterday we had the pistachio with almond and granita with a beautiful brioche. Don't think that brioche is a bread. No, it's a soft bread, but sweet.
So sweet.
So sweet.
And in Sicily, it's our tradition to have granita with brioche. We combine a bite of brioche with a spoon of granita.
Yeah.
And this is the perfect Sicilian breakfast.
Yeah. But for Gianca, of course, is the every time is the perfect time to enjoy granita. No? Also in the afternoon, in the night.
You can have granita always.
Yeah. every corner here in Ortigia is so amazing.
Hello, information tour.
Thank you.
And we are approaching the seaside. Finally, we met the Ionian Sea. We are not in the Tyrrhenian Sea anymore.
Yeah.
You know, the north of Sicily is surrounded by the Tyrrhenian Sea. We are in the east side of the island, and we name this sea Ionian.
Maybe
Ionio in Italian.
maybe we can go there, Gianca, to have a better view, and then we can end it with Fontanaretusa. Or do you want to go to Fontanaretusa before?
Guys, can you give us a feedback? What about the audio?
It's very windy today, but we hope that our microphones work well.
This is named Fontanaretusa, Aretusa fountain. It's full of papyrus from the Egypt. But don't display me. I'm not the star.
And they are wild.
Yeah, you can see some goose and some big fish. Yeah.
Mettiamoci là. Anche quell'altra.
Facciamo un giro nei narrow streets. So let's display our friends the narrow streets in Ortigia. This is not a narrow street. This is one of the largest. Ironically, we have very picturesque roads here in Ortigia. Very narrow. They are pedestrians, so you can relax. You can enjoy your walking tours all day long. In particular, during the night, it's a beautiful scene. A lot of people, a lot of locals and tourist people enjoy the nightlife. Oh, this is a beautiful balcony.
Il pacco di Natale della Lancia e nello stesso anno mio papà aveva fatto.
Rosella, did we say something about the Baroque architecture?
Yesterday, not today.
Not today. Also, Ortigia is very popular for the Baroque architecture. You can see proofs of the Baroque architecture in the facade of the dome, of the cathedral, but also in many palaces, buildings like this. You can see the balconies. They are so nice.
Lucia, vieni chiaro che bellissime porte.
Usciamo dall'altra parte, adesso facciamo vedere il mare dall'altra parte.
because we know that a lot of our friends are sea lovers.
So let me say hello to Pete and Kat. I take the glasses. Where are my glasses?
My bag, because... faccia da qua che esce sicuro. La riprendo.
Here we are again. Oh, look at that, guys. We are coming out from the other direction. As I said, Ortigia is an island, and you can see now the promenade of Levante. That's the Levante promenade.
It's the lungomare d'Ortigia. And people over there are still enjoying
The beach.
the beach and the water.
That lady is sitting very relaxed in the water.
I'm so jealous.
Perhaps we have a swim later.
Maybe. Let's hope, because tonight we had rain last night, no? And so we hope to enjoy a beautiful swim in the afternoon, maybe, because our friends will be free. Because normally when we plan a tour of Sicily, we used to left them some free leisure time to enjoy, shopping time and other things, no, according to your needs and desires.
So now we are relaxing too. Let me say hello to Cat Marks, buongiorno dalla Pennsylvania. Hello to all people in Philadelphia and all the entire Pennsylvania.
They are awake yet?
They are
Already?
already awake.
Oh.
Good, so it's the
Maybe good night, so.
no, maybe good morning,
Good
because
morning.
they get up very early.
Wow.
Ciao, ciao. So, greetings also from the people in the tuk-tuk, in the Lapino.
Yeah.
Then we have Pete Us. Good morning, Pete. Carrie Lawyer. Lover. I'm not sure that the pronunciation is correct. Fred Seidel. He asks, what about spumoni? Lo spumone is also another interesting, delicious kind of ice cream. Something in the middle between an ice cream, a sorbetto. But if you come to Sicily, guys, you can try also spumoni. Let me say hello to Rosario Fontibonese. Ciao Rosario. Mario Bucaro. Termini is good too. And the Termini is
I'm from Termini, Marese, so I really know. I made a live broadcast, but of course we will make other live broadcasts from there.
So we have John Martino. Ciao from Melbourne. I was right. People from Australia are watching us now. Then we have ciao John. Then we have Giovan Bilo Piccolo. Buongiorno Giovan. So all the people are watching now. This is just it was a preview in our plans, but we decided to go ahead.
Yeah.
We have a second part of this live broadcast in a couple of hours.
Yes,
no,
more or less.
Before.
Yes.
We
More or
will
less.
be.
In
It's a surprise, but
Yes.
reveal. Don't keep the secret.
Okay, now the outdoor market of Ortigia, where you can find a lot, of course, of fresh fish, foods, and other things. But in particular, you can enjoy a funny man that will prepare for us fresh mozzarella, cold cuts, and cheese, because it was born like a cheesemaker, but now there you can enjoy terrific food, also very strange bread, fill it with our local
Cold cuts,
cold cuts
and traditional cheese.
and traditional. So you will be amazed by this man. And what else, Gianca?
I would like to say hello
Yeah?
because
come
it's.
with me.
I think I don't want to go ahead because Facebook don't make our long live broadcast.
Come with me.
Yeah. Guys, it's just like a preview, not a very long live broadcast. We can't reveal all Ortigia's secrets. If you wanna have a great knowledge of Ortigia's, you have to come here. You have a guided visit with a local guide. We are not local guide. I wanna emphasize, underline again that we are the owners of a tour company.
Yes.
As you have seen, our friends, our clients, they are enjoying a guided walking tour of Ortigia with a professional local guide, and so this is important.
But we plan everything for you, right?
We can plan everything for you. As a tour company, of course, we can arrange all the services. But I want to say that we are so glad, in many cases, to accompany in person our clients. First, because it's an important chance for us to spend a great time, and then because, you know, l'occhio del padrone ingrassa cavallo. It
means
it's a
that
proverb.
You have to check, no, Gianca? Every time.
You have to check. You have to watch that your suppliers, people who work for you, do a great job. And it's important that you are present, that you are there to watch with your eyes that everything is perfect. And so we are so happy to spend the majority of the San Filippo's and McCluskey's tour, the majority of the time with them. So we've been following them in the area of Palermo. We had beautiful days in Palermo. We had beautiful days in Cefalù, in the Madonia area, in Erice. Now we moved to the east of Sicily, and we are so happy to enjoy beautiful days with them.
Because they are so lovely.
Beautiful person, beautiful people. In the next days, we will move to the northeast. They will stay in Taormina, of course, because it's how do you say, a must see in Sicily, but also a strategic place if you wanna explore, if you wanna discover the north side of Sicily.
Yes.
And so we will be there in a few days. Tomorrow they will move. They will visit Catania, the second largest city in Sicily.
In the afternoon, Taormina.
In the afternoon, they will reach Taormina, and we will broadcast from Taormina.
Of course.
But in the meantime, don't forget to watch the
second part,
the following live broadcast from Ortigia, from the outdoor market in Ortigia, to have a great lunch all together. And perhaps we will introduce you to Mr. Borderi. He's a very funny man, and a proud Sicilian, first of all.
Yeah, of course.
Guys, thanks for watching. See you later.
Please
okay?
don't forget to share this live broadcast and put your thumb up if you want, of course.
Yeah, sure. And of course, we are at your disposal. If you want to plan your trip to Sicily, this is our passion, first of all. We are passionate about Sicily. Then we are travel agents, travel consultants. But first of all, we are passionate, and we used to give our advices, our recommendation for free.
Our mission is helping you enjoy amazing experiences in Sicily, our beloved island.
And also our mission is to promote Sicily the best we can. Ciao!
Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily! Ciao!
Ciao!